Guys, iPhone 15 is the most groundbreaking release of the year, and now this time Apple is set to break price records like never before. Guys, as you know, Apple has not raised the price of the iPhone in the US since 2017, and you know what that means. According to new reports, Apple will raise prices on the upcoming iPhone 15 line. It even appeared on CNBC and mentioned that he sees ASPs increasing and he is expecting a price rise. When it comes to forecasting iPhone price hike, Eve has a good track record. He correctly called for Apple to rise iPhone 14 price internationally, which is what did happen. But in US and China, prices were steady. Guys, according to reports, Apple evaluation rising from the current $2.8 trillion to $3.5 trillion in the next 18 to 24 months. Most analysts noticed that Apple jacking up iPhone 15 prices, especially the premium Pro models, by as much as $200. Guys, the iPhone 14 is priced at $800 and up, and the iPhone 14 Plus will cost you $900 and more. The iPhone 14 Pro starts at $1,000 and the iPhone 14 Pro Max will run you $1,100 and up. I believe that there are 250 million iPhone units that have not been upgraded over the last 4 years, which could produce a windfall for the Apple should many of them replace their handset this year. The Wall Street analysts predict that Apple will ship 235 million to 245 million units of the iPhone 15 this year. Even if Apple were to raise iPhone 15 prices by an average of $100, that would be an additional $23 billion in revenue for Apple. So what do you think about it? Please let me know in the comment box below. And Apple is doing amazing updates in iPhone 15 that you can check out in our other videos. And at the last, please don't forget to press the like and subscribe button.